Where should we take her? Number 9, where should we take her? Are you happy where your mum is? I don't think she is. Alright, let's do it. Okay, get your hands on this, Astrid. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, release the You managed to get 9 skills down and the golden skill! Happy prices for everyone! Darren, you've now got one last chance to try and get that last skittle down. If you do that, Astrid here will win a prize. So what are we waiting for? It's time to wind up your ball! Go on, that way! Alright, audience, where should we take her? Go on, Sam, go and help her out. Are you happy, Astrid? I'll give you a little push on this one to give you a little hand. Come on. You can do it, you can do it. Tyra, come on. You. In 3, 2, 1. Release the ball! Get it, come on. Get it. That is a spare, which means you've got tonight's star prize, a digital camera. Anyway, bring on the Fulminator! Poor old Tyra, you thought you could have a nice easy day. Alright. Nice spare. Yeah? Nice spare there, Mum. Very good. Okay, you just want to hold that. Dear. Okay, I'm getting all right there, Tyra. This is for the dancing. Sorry, you bought it on yourself, really. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, release the ball!